Are you looking for a way to automatically sync new and updated HubSpot contacts over to MailChimp as new or updated subscribers? With ZZBots, you can now install this as a plugin or pre-built bot from our plugin store. If you are watching this video from YouTube or social media, start by clicking the link in the description. In ZZBots, click the install button. If you don't already have an account, you will need to set up a free account before finishing the install. Then click Next. First, set up the connection with your HubSpot account. Next, set up the connection with your MailChimp account. After your account is connected, select the audience or list that you want to sync to. Then click Next, Install Now, and Done. You will be redirected to the bots page, where you can manage your bot, as well as configure your bot settings. You can disable and re-enable your bot using this toggle button. This pre-built bot consists of two steps. The first step will trigger when there is a new or updated contact in HubSpot. The next step will add or update a subscriber in MailChimp with the same corresponding email and name. I will demonstrate how this sync works by adding a few new contacts in HubSpot, as well as updating each of the pre-existing contacts. In ZZBots, your bots will automatically check for changes to sync over every 10 minutes or faster, depending on your billing plan. You can manually check by hitting Check Now. Below the bot steps for each bot, you will see the bot history. Each time that your bot is triggered, it will create a bot instance. The bot power used by each bot instance will be shown here. Bot power will not be used every time that your bot checks for new data. Bot power will only be used when your bot is triggered and successfully syncs data from HubSpot to MailChimp. As you can see here, the new and updated HubSpot contacts successfully synced over to MailChimp with the same corresponding name and email. If you are looking for more ways to automate your business or integrate your different apps together, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos. If you have any questions, just chat with us on our website at zzbots.com or join our community at zzbots.com/community.